I am Anil Kumar, and here is the last phase of our test paper on Unit 3. Now, questions which follow, they are communication, application and thinking type of questions. So, like the last one, we had a lot of calculations to do. They were the knowledge-based questions. Now here, you have to do a bit of thinking and then communicate your answer. So they should not take you long, but they are kind of tricky. Let's see how to do them. So the very first one, which is question number 12 for us now, is write a quadratic function with y-intercept at -12 and only x-intercept at 5. So I'd like you to pause the video, write down the answer, and then the solution. Here is my suggestion. When you read this question, you say, write a quadratic function with y-intercept at -12. That means what? We say y-intercept at -12. That means the point is x value is 0, right? 0 minus 12 is the point on the parabola. The second condition is, and the only x-intercept at 5. So x-intercept only 1 at 5 and only 1. That means what? That means basically the function is turning at x-intercept 5. Do you see that? So that is x minus 5 is the only factor, but there are two zeros at this point. X minus 5. Do you get the point? It is turning at 5. Now think about it like this. So we have kind of a parabola and we're trying to say that we have y-intercept, which is negative, and the function is turning from 5. So basically if you try to sketch it, you get kind of like this. Do you see that? So that is your parabola, and this point for you is 5. So once you do that, you can visualize and write down your equation very easily. So this parabola should have an equation like y equals to a times, sometimes you forget a, which is a very important point, a times x minus 5 whole square. Now to get the value of a, we can use the y-intercept, which is 0 minus 12. Do you see that? So minus 12 for y and x is 0. So write 0 minus 5 whole square. So that means minus 12 is equals to 25a, or a equals to minus 12 over 25. Correct? And since a is minus 12 over 25, we can now write down our equation, and that is y equals to minus 12 over 25 x minus 5 whole square. So that is the equation which has a y-intercept at minus 12 and double root, 2 roots at 5. So that becomes our equation. So that is how we can do it. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you and all the best.